Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Picture this nightmare. You're in the middle of an important presentation when your computer suddenly freezes, and when you restart, your hard drive won't boot up. All your essential documents, family photos, and work projects have vanished into thin air. Sound familiar? In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through rescuing your valuable data from a failed hard drive using Stellar Data Recovery. This professional-grade recovery solution can bring your files back from the digital graveyard. Here's a situation that keeps many of us awake at night. You're putting the finishing touches on months of work when disaster strikes. Your storage device crashes without warning. Every attempt to open your files results in error messages, and you start questioning whether those irreplaceable memories and crucial documents are gone forever. Enter Stellar Data Recovery, your digital lifeline. This robust application specializes in salvaging information from malfunctioning, corrupted, or accidentally wiped storage devices, whether they're traditional hard drives, modern SSDs, or portable storage units. Thanks to its sophisticated recovery technology and intuitive design, file restoration becomes surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive into the recovery process. Start by grabbing Stellar Data Recovery through our affiliate link located in the description area below this video. After completing the installation, open the program and choose which file categories you'd like to retrieve. Next, the application will perform a comprehensive of your storage device, searching for any salvageable data. Depending on your drive's capacity and the extent of corruption, this examination could range from several minutes to a few hours. Following the analysis phase, you'll be presented with a detailed catalog of recoverable items. The software allows you to preview these discoveries before making your selection, ensuring you're recovering exactly what you need. The final step involves choosing a secure destination for your restored files. It's crucial to remember always to save recovered data to a completely different storage location to prevent the risk of overwriting existing information. This knowledge will prepare you to prevent further data loss. And there you have it. Stellar Data Recovery transforms what could be a catastrophic data loss into a manageable recovery operation. The software boasts compatibility with more than 300 different file formats, covering everything from spreadsheets and presentations to vacation videos and music collections. Ready to safeguard your digital life? Don't wait until disaster strikes. Grab Stellar Data Recovery now using our special link below, and be prepared for any storage emergency that comes your way. That's a wrap on today's rescue mission. Drop your questions or recovery success stories in the comments section. We love hearing from you. And if this tutorial saved your data, or might save it someday, show some love with a like and hit that subscribe button for more life-saving tech content.